Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. So we got in 2 of the same machines. So I can tell you what's going on with this one. The hub's stripped. You can tell when you turn that, it should turn the whole drum like this one, right? Because when they're stopped like this, they're in spin. Left, right, 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 left, right. Nope. There we go. That's diagnostic mode. That is fault code. As you can see, we've got a basket speed fault. So that would be F7E1. And sometimes F7E1 can be from the hub. But on this one, we're going to cancel it. Clear the code. Alright, so it should be cleared. Left, right, 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 left, right. Turn it all the way to wash and done. That is tachometer test mode. So when I spin this drum, it should be moving that, but it's not sensing the rotation of the drum. So we got a bad tachometer on the actuator. This one, one, two, three, and these 2, that's a motor fault. But I can tell you right now, motor's not bad. That one and these 2, that's off balance. That's the one. You can tell all that movement in that drive hub is stripped. But just for giggles, clear it. Left, right, 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 left, right. Turn it, and let's just test the tachometer on this one. Spin it, and there we go. It's sensing the rotation. So you will get an F7E1 basket fault with a bad hub, so you got to watch out for that. Like and subscribe. Sub-16s. All right, bags it is. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. And that's why I leave the bolt in, so it doesn't blow up in my face. All right. Thank you, Bags. You're the best. Still see some teeth, baby. All right. That's more better.